Hello, Doctor. Thank you for giving this opportunity to present via this video presentation. And my name is Yuvarajan Murugan from Group 12, and we are going to present about OpenNMS. OpenNMS is basically a free software, and it is also known as Open Network Monitoring System. And the function is to basically observe and also manage the network of the system. It professes to be enterprise scalable and adaptable enough to encounter almost the entirety of the system and the application checking needs. Open Network Monitoring System programming is fundamentally created and kept up by a different business adventure called the OpenNMS Group. This open network monitoring system designed to work in various type of network environment. There are few functionalities of this application, which are the event management and notification, service monitoring, data collection. Open Network Monitoring System used a publish subscribe messaging bus pattern. In this pattern, the sender, which is also known as the publisher, will send a message without mentioning a specific receiver for the messages. Instead the receivers, which is the subscriber, will express their interest towards the messages. In addition, the process within the software can be publish event while the other processes can be subscribed to that particular event. Open Network Monitoring System can receive events in the form of simple network management protocol traps, system log messages, or a custom message that sent as the extension markup language. Furthermore, alarm can be generated by configuring an event which represent the flow of information from the network. The alarm is used to create the correlation workflow and perform an event deduction. The event management and notification in Open Network Monitoring System includes alarm reduction and a robust notification system with escalation and duty schedules. In service monitoring, the OpenNMS allows the availability of network-based services. It allows the network to be determined as the service assurance for OpenNMS features. The monitoring type of OpenNMS span from the very simple port check in TCP to complex stage of mail transport monitoring services. The OpenNMS is built for enterprises to help monitor a large amount of device from a single instance. As a functionality in the application, OpenNMS performs a data collection for a number of network protocols, such as Simple Network Management Protocol, SNMP, and Java Management Extension, JMX. OpenNMS also known in terms of scalable application, since the application itself can manage a large amount of data collection. It is scalable enough to used in a large enterprises management products such as HP, OpenView, or IBM.
There are some advantages of OpenNMS, which are the data collection and analytics, providing provisioning services and monitoring services. OpenNMS has the exclusive data collection and analytic feature, and OpenNMS allows the user to add numerous devices to the management system by using a tool called Advanced Provisioning System. And for the monitoring services, OpenNMS help users to determine various network beds that are available or not, and measure and testing the availability of other integrated network resources.
This is the scenario for OpenNMS. The client is my phone that is using hotspot to my laptop to connect internet connection. So the IP address is 192.168.43.227 of my Android. OpenNMS monitoring tool monitor the outages and any network problem in the IP address and alert the admin to take immediate action.
Hi everyone. Today I wanna show you how to configure the OpenNMS. First of all, you have to click the Mozilla console in your Linux, then following with the IP address. This thing is your own IP address. Then follow with the 8980 is that the login page for the OpenNMS. After that, it's showing the page like this. Then at username you click you type admin, then password also as admin. After that, this the showing of the eponymous interface. Then in admin option, you click quick add node for add a new node. So first of all, at here you type you type testing node in here, your own IP address, then CentOS. In this box, you click as this, then follow with the add category membership. At here, you select server as your node, then follow with then you click provision. After that, after that, you go for the main page by click home, and here it's showing the outages in the node and the alarms. So we have a network interface that is a 2/4. Then here is go showing that the pending alarms. Then over here notification for the admin and the group for groups. So alarm is for the problem there are in a pendings. Over here the major alarms, then is a normal, the green color is for the normal, then out goes to for the outages means internet control message protocol outages, that is a ICMP. So here we go, check it out, the notification for the admin role. So it's showing the major problem, then it's normal things. Here is showing the how many nodes are in the OpenMS. For here is like overall like a 4 IP address or console are monitoring by the network monitoring by OpenNMS. Okay, okay. Then I want to show about the outages, and it's showing the sorry, then click on all outages, then it's showing the all the outages from the node. Here I want to tell about the Wi-Fi is for going to my hotspot from the mobile is goes to for my laptop IP address, then it goes to my CentOS is my Linux IP address, then ICMP service is going down, then from the Wi-Fi and my laptop IP address service are down and goes to others. Then I want to show that the charts under charts, it show 1 week statistic, that is alarm for 1 week. This goes to outages, then it goes to not inventory. Then from this I want to summarize or tell that in terms security or performance, there is alert notification by alarm in terms of showing that outages. From this can alert and monitoring the network by easily using the OpenNMS web console. Thank
Now under the admin, click configure NMS. Under the OpenNMS, click configure user, and under user and group, click configure user. So now we can see we as an admin, click the modify to modify the status. So you can reset the password, you fill in your user information, set up your security role by click the button add and remove, and notification information, fill up your notification information, and add schedule. for the duty schedule, and you can set your duty schedule. The begin time and the end time is set, and click finish. Here are the notes with pending problems. So the Wi-Fi refers to the computer network. The Wi-Fi have a problem, so it issues an alarm. So to view the alarms, so we click on the status alarm, then we click all alarms summary, then click on the ID, and it shows the description of the problems, which is this event is generated when the node outage processing determines that all interfaces on the nodes are down. The new outage records have been created and service level availability calculation will be impacted until this outage.
As a conclusion, the OpenNMS is good collection of system that can handle monitoring needs of any kind of enterprises. It is completely versatile and there's no compelling reason to submit improvement demands, and trust that future adaptation will have some element included. Simply compose it yourself or contract a designer to do it for you.